Hello, my name is Eric Mears and I am a mechanical engineering student at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln. If you have any questions or would like to get in contact with me, my email and phone number are listed here. The Wonderod, your helpful support for success. Today, we will go over how the Wonderod operates, the variety of uses of the Wonderod, and high qualities that make the Wonderod a wonderful, must-have product. The Wonderod is a multifunctional tool that can apply pressure between two surfaces. The parts include the main metal rod, adjustable metal rod, lever, gear, release button, and end pieces on both metal rods. While the lever is in the unlocked position, the adjustable metal rod is able to slide freely, changing the length of the Wonderod. When the Wonderod is less than 1 centimeter shy of the correct length, the lever should be put into the locked position. The gear is then used to fine-tune the length to provide the correct amount of pressure. When you are done and would like to release the pressure, you very simply press the release button and the Wonderod is ready to be used again. Now what can the Wonderod be used for, you may ask? There are countless uses for the Wonderod, but we will talk about 4. The Wonderod could be used as a portable clothes rack, able to be installed in between 2 walls inside your house, office, or hotel room. The Wonderod is so strong that it can also be used as a pull-up bar, provided that the supporting walls or beams are strong enough. Another use of the Wonderod would be to block a doorway to a room that is being worked on or being cleaned. The last use that we will mention is to help support or level out a table by being an extra or replacement table leg. As you can see, the Wonderod can be used for a wide range of tasks. Why is this? The Wonderod is made of strong, lightweight aluminum capable of holding a large amount of weight. The Wonderod is able to adjust to a variety of different lengths, making it able to be used in a variety of situations. The end pieces are covered in felt in order to protect and grip the surfaces that the end pieces of the Wonderod are in contact with. In conclusion, the Wonderod is a very useful and versatile tool capable of helping you achieve a variety of tasks. No other tool is able to achieve all the tasks that the Wonderod can. You should purchase the Wonderod because it is made of high-quality materials capable of countless functions. This is the product that is your helpful support for success. Contact me with any questions you may have. The images seen within this presentation are thanks to these websites. If you would like to download the script to this webinar, it is available in the video description below.